In today's Investing Basic, we're going to look at penny stocks. So what are penny stocks? Penny stocks are defined by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission as any security trading under $5 per share. New investors in particular can be attracted to penny stocks because of their low price and potential for outsized returns. A small upside in value translates into a huge gain in terms of returns. For example, a $4 stock that goes up by $1 has made a 25% return, often in a short period of time. This can make penny stocks attractive to short-term traders. Of course, the reverse is also true. So just as penny stocks can potentially double or triple their value in a short period of time, investors are at risk of losing significant amounts. This is what makes penny stocks speculative. Unlike other stocks, penny stocks are often traded over the counter and not on the trading floor. For this reason, they can also be known as OTC stocks. Unlike stocks that are listed on an exchange, they don't have the adhere to strict regulations and are less liquid. On the one hand, this offers plenty of potential for investors who back a successful company early. Consider Amazon. Although not a penny stock, it went public at $18 a share in 1997. However, this also means that these companies have a limited track record and available information about their financials. They are also more at risk for manipulation through pump and dump schemes. Despite some investors considering penny stocks as trading for amateurs, Wall Street's analysts do follow these low-priced stocks. What should you do if you want to add these stocks to your portfolio? 1. Be aware of the risks and conduct research. 2. See how analysts are rating these stocks. 3. Consider if you prefer to invest in stocks that are listed on an exchange. TipRanks has a simplified stock screener dedicated to penny stocks. It enables you to easily research stocks trading for under $10 and brings you essential information, including the forecast and price targets of the best performing analysts, latest news, recent ratings, and more. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see our latest videos.